so let's pop it open. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Retro Kid, where we review, repair, and talk about retro tech. Today we're going to be unboxing a package that I ordered from Retro Modding, which is an online store for lots of Game Boy modded parts and other things. And so today we're going to unbox my package. And all of these parts that I ordered are going to be for a project that I'll make videos on later on. But yeah, those will all be coming to the channel soon. So anyways, here's the box. It's pretty small for what's inside. I'll show you what's inside in a second. So I guess without further ado, let's open it up. So I have a knife here. Be very careful when you're using knives. So always cut away from yourself. Oops, slipped a tiny bit there. There we go. Flip it around. So excited to see what's in here. I mean, of course I know, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's pop it open. Okay. We got just a list of what's in there. Like those unboxing videos with all the noise. Anyways, we have a start and select button that are yellow for the DMG. And you'll see why in a second. A stand for a DMG, like a little display stand that I'll put in my room, which I put a video on last week that you guys can see up here in the corner or in the description. I'll link it. A mint screen lens, glass screen lens, so it's pretty nice and strong. Also for the DMG. A set of pink buttons, a set of purple buttons. This looks like the, so this is the IPS kit. So if you don't know what IPS kits are, it's a basic, it's not like a backlight kit for the DMG, but it's basically putting a modern LCD screen in there so that it's a lot brighter. And this one, since it also comes with a brand new front board, which you can kind of see through the bubble wrap there, this one will allow me to have different color palettes and all that stuff too. Now, this part I'm pretty excited about. This is the shell that I'm going to put all this in. So, there's drum roll, and here it is. It's the Confetti Boy 2 from Mizucat on Retro Modding. I think it's a really nicely designed shell for the DMG, and I can't wait to put it on mine. And then we also have a set of pastel mint buttons for the DMG. And that's everything in the box. So I'll go over them again. Again, we have the Confetti Boy 2. I just really like the design. It's kind of like a 80s throwback style. And look at the battery compartment too. Also has that same pattern. And I really like it. And all these are from Retro Modding, by the way. So, yep, then we have the version 4 IPS kit. So I do believe you have to trim the shell a tiny bit to get the IPS kit to fit, but we'll see in a video coming up. All the buttons. The reason I got multiple different sets of buttons is because I wanted to mix and match them instead of just having all the buttons the same color. So I thought it would look cooler with the mismatched buttons, and it would also kind of match the shell. Because if you look at the shell, there's kind of like purple accents here, blue accents here, and then like pink accents here. So it would match the shell a lot more if I were to use different buttons. And then I also chose this mint color screen lens because it matches the back and it also matches the whole entire shell. So that's my package from Retro Modding, and so I did pay for everything, so it's not sponsored, but they are a really cool online store, so I'll link that in the description as well. And thank you guys for watching. For the Retro Kid, I'm the Retro Kid.